How to use motion symbol and create architectural diagram. Turn on timeline in Photoshop software. Drag the timeline bar to one south. Select the symbols to be included in the diagram. Transform to fit the diagram. Warp to fit the perspective. Drag the object to the beginning of the timeline. Try dragging the timeline bar to see the temporary results. Do the same with other symbols. Press play to see the temporary result. Now, we will make loop animation for them. Group them together. Duplicate group. Drag them to fill the timeline. Okay, done. Let's export the video. Thanks for watching the video.